Now let's take you to the western region where Kakamega County has launched a health service fund tipped to be a game changer in the healthcare financing in the spirit of universal health coverage. Now this, they say, will address the teething problems like service delivery and the availability of non-pharmaceuticals. Health PS Harry Kimtai hailed the fund, calling on other devolved units to follow suit.
Hospitali inarudi kwenye hospitali ili
smile nzuri. Asante sana sana.
Having launched this fund beginning 1st of July 2023, all our health facilities will be able to raise revenue, retain the collections, and use the funds generated to improve on health services for the residents of Kakamega County. I have directed the Department of Finance and Planning to transfer 59.2 million shillings to the fund to act as seed money to our facilities.
The bold move by the government of Kakamega to ring-fence funds for health facilities is a major step in ensuring achievement of the government's agenda on health. Ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of the Kakamega County Service Fund is in line with the national government plan for allowing facilities a reasonable level of autonomy. Facility Improvement Fund aims at addressing the gaps in healthcare services delivery across the country.
All right, some of the stories we had for